Jean Carroll's attorney, Sean Crowley, told the jury in former President Donald Trump's second defamation trial that he unleashed his followers to go after him by consistently denying her claim that he raped her in a store dressing room. Judge Lewis Kaplan told prospective jurors that it has already been determined that Mr. Trump sexually assaulted Ms. Carroll. Insult to Jean Carroll. Trump unleashed followers to go after Carroll. Lawyer tells jury key players. Judge Lewis Kaplan. Columnist Jean Carroll. Carroll attorney Sean Crowley. Trump attorney Alina Habba. In opening statement to the second defamation lawsuit filed against Trump on Tuesday, Crowley said the former president unleashed his supporters to go after Carroll and threaten life. Donald Trump was president when he made these statements, and he used biggest microphone in world to attack Ms. Carroll, humiliate her and destroy her reputation. Crowley told jury in trial, which will decide how much more money, if any, would be awarded. Trump will be indebted to Carroll. Crowley noted that although Trump was seated in the courtroom earlier in the day, defamatory messages continued to be posted on his social media account. How much money will it take to stop him? Crowley asked the jury. Even after a federal jury gathered in this courtroom and unanimously found that he sexually assaulted and framed her, he continued the same lies. According to Associated Press, messages attributed to Trump on Truth Social account on Tuesday morning included claim that Carroll's claim that he raped her in a store dressing room in mid-1990s was fabricated and an extortion attempt. Habba said evidence in the case will show that Trump did not discredit Carroll and that she continued to have success in her career after alleged attack. Carroll, who was awarded $5 million by the jury May, is seeking an additional $10 million damages, as well as millions of dollars punitive damages, for the slanderous remarks he made about Carroll 2019. When Trump was president, Trump left the courtroom before opening statements on Tuesday. The judge agreed allow him to testify in the case on Monday, although arguments are expected conclude this week. Why it matters since a jury has already found that Trump sexually harassed and defamed Carroll. Carroll's ongoing claims that she lied about the assault in a store fitting room leave her open to further legal action. Judge, it has already been established that Mr. Trump sexually assaulted Ms. Carroll. Key players. Judge Lewis Kaplan. Columnist Jean Carroll. As Trump watched during Tuesday's jury selection, Kaplan informed prospective jurors civil case before them would not raise again question of whether Trump sexually assaulted Carroll in a New York department store dressing room mid-1990s. The court determined in a previous decision that Mr. Trump was responsible for defamation. Kaplan said, "For the purposes of this hearing, it has already been